10 was 6 for year 9 and year 10.
Okay, but tell me, yeah, that's true, but what is it referring to? What is up here in the top?
For car.
Okay, so it's the number of students that take a car.
Yeah. No, it's a number of men and women. Men and women.
We don't know that. We only know that it's year 9 and year 10.
Okay, yeah.
Like it could be. We don't, all we know is it's year 9 students and year 10 students that take a car to school.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what does 15 mean? What does 15 represent here?
It represents for a number of people who took a bus.
Okay, and then 11?
11 who took a walk, and yeah. That's
All
what
right,
it
and
is.
now tell me what 24 represents.
It's the total of the year 9
Okay, and how about the 18?
or total of year 10.
Good. And let's see here. 42. What is 42?
It's for the total of each of the total for the cars, buses, and walks.
All right.
Yep.
Great. So that's very good. Now the probability of walking is the number of walkers over the total of all. So how many walkers are there?
The walker. Yeah. For the walkers, there are the walkers are 11,
Okay.
and that's for total of all. Total of all is going to be 42. Oh wait, no, 24. Oh, sorry about that.
Okay, that's fine. 11 or 42.
Yep, that's what it is. 11 out of 42, and then that's going to be the fraction.
Good. That's it.
Yep.
All right, let's look at the next question.
Okay.
So the next question is,
Next question.
all right, so the next one is find the actually, let me snip it in here. It's not written off. So find the probability that a year 9 person walks. Okay, so we're just looking at year 9. Okay, so this
Okay.
is the total year 9s over the year 9 and the year 9s that walk.
Okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, we have to find a probability.
So
We could say
how many total year 9s are there?
24.
All right.
Total year 9 is 24. Year 10 for 18. That equals with the
Okay.
all of it for the
Now,
total
now
of 2.
how many of the year 9s walked?
They walked 6.
6. Good. All right. So can you reduce that fraction for us?
Yeah. like make it into an equivalent fraction?
Yes, what's the equivalent fraction?
Okay, got it. One fourth. Yep, there we go.
All right, very good.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. So
Right, the next one here is number 4. Are you writing this down as we go?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Find the probability that a person takes a car given that they are year 10. So it's kind of the same deal. It's the number of year 10s, and it's
Okay.
the year 10s that take a car. So figure out those values.
Okay. 6/18. And then for that,
It's not
and then
over
for
18.
that,
It is 6.
six. Uh-huh. That's what it is. And it's 6, and that is gonna be at 16.
Okay,
And that's one over and it's one half. A half.
it's not a half.
3/8. Okay. Okay.
All right, good job. So
Yep.
how long did this take us, Sourish?
Took
How
us
long did
like
this take?
took us like 10 minutes.
So you're telling me this is all you did in class?
Yeah, we did this in class. I'm serious. We did that in the class.
What did you do for the rest of the time?
We were working on it for we were working on it for the rest of the time. We were working on this for the rest of the time. Our teacher
Okay.
explained to us about this page.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
So yeah.
okay. Sourish, I mean, let's have a real conversation here. Right.
Okay.
There's no way this is all you had in class today because this took 10 minutes. So what else did you guys do in class?
We did the backside. The backside.
We'll send over the backside.
I sent you the backside. Didn't I send it to you?
I don't know. You sent me something else that looks like you did that was from another that you did another day. Um,
It was a different page. This is different.
well, what does it say?
It says 50 moviegoers were surveyed about their favorite movie types. 13 men and 6 women chose action as their favorite type. 8 men and 8 women chose drama as their favorite type. 5 men and 4 women chose comedy as their favorite type. And 4 men and 2 women chose anime as their favorite type. Should I send it to
Okay.
you again?
No, you did send that. You said the backside though, but it looks like it's a separate paper, so we can look at that one as well. All right. Let me snip in the table.
Okay.
All right. So let's see here.
Yep.
All right. So find the probability that a woman's favorite type of movie is comedy.
Yeah, that's
So
very
so we're
confusing.
so we're looking at just women. So it's the number of women, just the number of women, and the number of those that like comedy that are women.
Okay. Okay. 5 out of 4.
No. What numbers do you have written over here on the right?
I wrote down 20 and 30, which 30 is for men and 20 is for women.
Okay, so how many women are there?
There's 20 women.
Okay, and how many of the women like comedy?
I mean, women like comedy. 4.
Okay,
So
so
that's gonna be
you said 5/4. I don't know where you got
yeah,
those
because
numbers.
it's in comedy.
All right, can you reduce this fraction for us, please?
Yeah, 1/5.
All right. Okay, what's the next question, Sarge?
Except the next question. The next question. It is find the probability that a person is a woman or the favorite type of movie is comedy.
All right, so this one's a little bit more complicated. So
Yeah.
all right, so how many women are there?
20. The total is 20.
Right, and it's 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 gets to 20, right?
Yes.
And how many like comedy?
How many like comedy? 4 women like comedy.
All right, so comedy, 4 like comedy, and then there's 5 men that like comedy. Okay, now how many total are there?
How many total are there? Now for the total. The total there is
How many total are here?
6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. 21.
No.
I
So
added it.
wait a second. 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2.
This is 3.
All right. 13 men and 6 women shows action. 8 and 8. All right. So we have a problem here. I didn't catch this first. 6 plus 8. Oh, oh, sorry. Is that a oh, that's the issue. This is a 2. This is a 2. So I want you to have all of these numbers. All of these numbers.
All the numbers? Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, I did it.
Okay, so how many are there total here?
6 plus 8. I added 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. That's 20
There's another number here, Sourish.
and 5. And we just have to divide that, and that's 4.
We're not dividing, Sourish. We're adding. You add up
20
all of
plus
these
5 is
numbers.
25.
Okay, 25 out of how many total are there in the whole table?
20.
How many are there in the whole table?
In the total, for the total,
Yes. Yes.
50.
50.
That's going to be 1 times 25 is 25. 1 time, uh 1, it's 1 over 2.
That is correct.
Yep.
All right, let's look at the third one here. You check your
Okay.
answer. All right, that is correct. So you got it.
Wait, yeah, I did it. Yep.
Okay, so we're at, we've been working, you minus the time to start. I mean, maybe 30 minutes. Is there anything else that you guys were working on in class today?
We were just discussing about this paper.
Do you get slides? Like, does your instructor post slides?
Yes, yes.
Where are those slides?
In his slides. I forgot I have not took pictures of it because we're not using our phones in class.
Okay. All right. You're not doing anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Well, what else would you like to work on tonight?
We can work on some SET.
Okay, we can try that. We can find some probability questions.
Yeah. Wait, probability is gonna be in the SET?
Yes,
Yeah, my dad signed up for me to take the PSET October 25th.
great.
Mhm. Yep.
Right, so I'm looking for some questions here.
Yeah.
All right, so these are a lot like, these are a lot like the ones we've been doing.
Yeah.
So let's take a look here.
Okay. The table above shows the kinds of foods that are fed to the cats and dogs currently boarded at a pet care facility. What fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? Okay. I got this. I got this. $2.25
Right? How did you come up with that?
because the total for the fed both wet and dry food is at 25.
Okay, all right, very good.
That's a correct?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, let's take a look at the next one. Stick this in.
Okay. The table above shows the distribution of age and gender for 25 people who enter a contest. If the contest winner will be selected at random, what is the probability that the winner will be either a female under age 40 or male age 40 or older? Okay, all right. 10/25.
Okay, how did you come up with that?
Well, I quickly just guessed that. I was just guessing that because this is going to be very confusing. So instead, I guessed it.
Okay, we don't want to guess. That's not a good it's not a good thing here.
Well, I just only know that I just only what I just only did is just I just only just did the probability for it.
Let's see if we may find another one that's a little bit easier.
Okay. Survey taken by 1,000 students at the school asked whether they played school sports. The table below summarizes all 1,000 responses from the students surveyed. How many of the males surveyed responded they do not play a school sport? Okay.
All right, Sarge, we're gonna stop here for tonight. I think we got enough
Okay.
done. Good job.